This video I will explain what is cloud storage. Using cloud storage, you can save your files like photos, videos, documents on the internet instead of your computer or phone. You can access these files anytime from anywhere using the internet. You can think of cloud storage like a locker on the internet where you keep your things safe and open it when you need. Why we have to use cloud storage? First point is access from anywhere. Your files are available on any device with an internet connection, whether you are at home, work, or traveling. Second point is automatic backup of files. Your important documents and photos are continuously saved without you having to remember. Third point is share files easily with others. You can send large files or entire folders to your friends and colleagues with just few clicks. Fourth point is free up space on your device. Store files in cloud instead of taking up your valuable storage on your phone or computer. Fifth point is keeps your files safe. Even if your phone or computer is lost or damaged, your files remain secure in the cloud. Now we will see popular cloud storage options. First one is Google Drive, second one is OneDrive, and the third one is Dropbox. We will see the comparison of these three. Free storage of Google Drive is 15 GB, free storage of OneDrive is 5 GB, free storage of Dropbox is 2 GB. Google Drive is best for Google users for Gmail and documents. OneDrive is best for Windows and Microsoft users. Dropbox is best for easy sharing and synchronizing. Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox support Android, iOS, web, and Windows platform. File sharing of Google Drive is easy and flexible. File sharing of OneDrive is integrated with MS Office. File sharing of Dropbox is very good for sharing links. All three cloud storage supports offline access. Google Drive works with Google Docs and Sheet. OneDrive works with Microsoft Office. Dropbox has basic collaboration features. Paid plans of Google Drive and OneDrive starts at 100 GB. Paid plans of Dropbox starts at 2 terabyte. Now we will see the overview of Google Drive. Google Drive works best if you use Gmail, Google Docs, or Android phones. You can create documents, save documents, and edit documents online. You can easily share files or folders with anyone. Google Drive gives you 15 GB free. Now we will see the overview of OneDrive. OneDrive is best if you use Windows 10 or 11 or Microsoft Office like Word, Excel. OneDrive automatically backs up Windows files like documents and pictures. You can edit Office files online. OneDrive gives you 5 GB free. Now we will see the overview of Dropbox. Dropbox is great for easy file sharing and syncing. Dropbox is simple to use with clean design. Dropbox only provide 2 GB free, so not much free space. Dropbox works well on all devices. Which cloud storage you should use? Use Google Drive if you use Gmail or Android. Use OneDrive if you use Windows and Microsoft Office. Use Dropbox if you want simple and fast sharing of files. Now we will see the conclusion. Cloud storage helps you to keep your files safe, accessible, and shareable. You can choose one of the cloud storage that matches your needs and devices. You can even use more than one cloud storage if you want. You have to remember all these three cloud storage services offer paid plans with more storage if you need it. You can start with the free version to see which one works best for you.